Today I'm going to show you how to grill up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They're going to come out super juicy and delicious. They're literally ready in under 20 minutes of cook time. Just minimal prep with things you already have on hand. Let's do it. I'm starting with one package of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This is about 1.5 pounds. You can dry them a little bit with paper towel, especially if you're cooking them after thawing them. And then it's time to season. Salt lick sent over this barbecue rub. So I'm using 1.5 tablespoons. You can use any barbecue rub you'd like, or you could use a combo of salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. I also want these grilled chicken thighs to be super juicy, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. This is gonna help get those really gorgeous grill marks and add a lot of flavor as they're grilling. And to make sure we cook them perfectly, I'm gonna add in a wireless thermometer at this time. And if you're unfamiliar with these, this one was sent to me by Meter, and I'm gonna show you in the next step what it looks like and how it helps me get the perfect temperature every time. Marinating these chicken thighs for about 30 minutes before hitting the grill is great, or you could do it the night before or morning of. All right, about to toss these on the grill. It is a gorgeous day for grilling here in Texas. I am so excited to be outside. The weather has been heating up. We want to get it to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This one heats up super quickly. All right, and it's already past 600 degrees, so we are rocking. Obviously got to open up the lid, check it out. We have 2 burners going here, the left and the middle. So those are direct heat. And this is going to be a section we'll save for later for indirect heat. Depending on how big your grill is, you can also use the top rack for indirect heat since it's a little bit away from the flame. But first we're going to hit up the chicken thighs on this section of the grill right over the flame. And this is the part I don't recommend, but my husband loves to put the olive oil on the grill right when we're gonna cook instead of in advance. I don't know. I don't think I can recommend doing this.
Just season the grill, grates a little bit.
Oh my Jesus. We do have fire extinguisher handy.
These are going right on the flame. Caliente.
First, the chicken thighs are going directly over the flame. This side is the direct fire side. The other side we're leaving indirect heat for later. But they're going to be about 5 minutes on here, right on the flame. Well, that one side gets grill marks. And we're going to shut the lid to do this. Close in the lid for 5 minutes.
All right, we're riding right at 500.
It's been about 4 minutes and we're trying to wait, but we want to look. Go ahead and look. We're doing it, guys. We're looking. Ooh. Ooh, what's going on? Fiery beast in there. Let's see, does one come up a little bit easy or are we just nuts? Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, 4 minutes. I see you. Oh, yummy. You know what, too, with that little barbecue sauce on there? Perfect. Look at those grill marks, baby. Can we go in order? Oh, was that in order? I'm going to freak out. OCD has been triggered. All right, it's about the 4 to 5 minute mark, and we are flipping these. Still over the direct flame, direct heat. Okay, these are gorgeous, and they're going to stay over this direct heat. Let's do another 3 to 4 minutes with that lid closed. All right, guys, look, my husband hasn't taken the Disney app off his phone, so maybe we're going soon. Okay, let's check the meter. This is the little probe that is inside. Let's see, no cook set up. Holy God, they're done. They're almost done. Look at this, set up. Poultry, chicken, thigh. We're doing grill. Oh, set it for one. Okay, start cook. Okay. Ooh, it's gonna estimate the time. Okay, let's give it a couple minutes. All right, checking out the meter here. We need it to go up about another 7 degrees until it's time to take off. Let's take a little look. All right, let's see. These are still over direct flame. We don't want the outside to burn too much, so we're moving them from the direct flame to the indirect heat. So there's no flame right below them right there. They're gonna keep cooking, just don't want the outside to burn. These are looking delicious. All right, this might be confusing, but in just a moment that I ran inside to get the plate, a clean plate and cleat and tongs to take them off, it went up to the right temperature and now it's saying ready to take off. So it was at the right temperature and it's coming down, but these are ready to go. Look how beautiful these are. Yummy. These look incredible. Wow. So once your chicken thighs reach about 172 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to take them off the grill. I like to let them rest about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, let all those juices settle in. These turn out so super juicy. It's that combo of the rub and using the barbecue sauce to marinate them before popping them on the grill. So here you go, grilled chicken thighs on the barbecue. I swear it's a beginner-friendly recipe. For more easy summer things to grill, check out sipbitego.com and sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list. I'll give you one easy thing to cook a week. See you in the next video.